Hello, welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. Please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today we have Wellness Wednesday. Wellness Wednesday's tip of the week is to stay hydrated. Drinking water helps maintain the balance of body fluids. Your body is composed of about 60% water. The functions of these bodily fluids include digestion, absorption, circulation, creation of saliva, transportation of nutrients, and maintenance of body temperature. Your body has a lot of things going on, and water helps almost all of those things happen. So make sure you are drinking lots of water and stay hydrated, especially on those hot days. Next, we have breakfast for Wednesday. We have cereal, fruit, juice, and milk. And for lunch, we have a deli sandwich with lettuce, tomatoes, chips, fruit, juice, and milk. For Thursday, our breakfast is my favorite, cinnamon roll, with some yogurt, fruit, juice, and milk. And for lunch, we have pulled pork on bun with some baked beans, fruit, juice, and milk. There are no birthdays today. We will celebrate some more later this week. Here are some announcements for today. Students, you are doing an awesome job with the new car line procedures. Way to go! We are having some great car lines in the afternoon. Keep up the great work. Remember to keep listening really carefully during dismissal for your number and to move quickly to get in line or to get outside. Students, we have an exciting new award that we will be granting each month. We will have a Shepherd Supporter of the Month. This award will recognize someone that you nominate. It might be your mom, dad, grandparent, aunt, uncle, cousin, or even a sibling. It is someone that you see on a regular basis that helps you to be successful at school. Maybe they help you practice your math facts or study spelling words or even make sure you have a snack each day. We will have nomination forms for you to tell us about your favorite Shepherd Supporter and why they should win the award for Shepherd Supporter of the Month. Couple more reminders for the teachers. There are only 2 more weeks left in this quarter. This is the time to begin wrapping things up for the quarter and making sure students have completed assignments that will be needed for grades. Students, this is important for you too. You are responsible for your missing assignments. You are responsible for that work. Be sure to check with your teacher to complete any work you are missing. They cannot give you a grade if you haven't done anything, so make sure you get your work done. Next week, we have an exciting week here at Kate Shepherd. We have Red Ribbon Week, where we will celebrate making good choices and being drug-free. We have some dress-up days. Monday, we're going to sock it to drugs. Tuesday, we're going to put a cap on drugs. Wednesday, we're too bright for drugs. Thursday, we're going to team up against drugs. And Friday, we're going to say boo to drugs. Miss Pate is also going to be sending out some more information about this. It may be going home with you today. So make sure that if you want to participate in these dress-up days, that this information, this letter from Miss Pate, makes it home to your parents so they will know what you need next week. Okay? Make sure that paper gets home so they get to see it. That's all for today's news. I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday.